Okay, so now you can see here I have total. I'm going to click in the my statistics. Then after that, so now you can see here it is giving a few things. So I'm just going to in the top sellers, the earning only. I'm just going to change the date. So that was for the April month. So from April 1 to April 30. Okay, and just clicking in the display statistics. And now you can see here I have total 4 sales. That was the total amount was 3.40 cent only. And now you can see here I have 0.99 cent in the April 24, 0.99 cent in the April 22, 0.44 in the April 20, and 0.98 in the April 70. Okay, so it is one of the amazing, and it is giving me few motivation to upload more stuff photos in Adobe Stock. So hoping that you get few ideas. So I'll come back with another video. Until that, goodbye, see you again.